Hey guys, welcome back to another chill video. I'm gonna make a quick video here on a new edition of Texas Chainsaw Massacre is coming out. This is on darkskyfilms.com. It's Texas Chainsaw Massacre 50th Anniversary Chainsaw Edition. And that's everything you get in that box set. And I'll show you the picture. Here's one picture here. There's the saw you get. There's the box. There's the back. There's the other side of the box. That's the 4K Blu-ray edition. Has 3 discs. There's a VHS you get. Now I'll show you what you get in this thing. That is coming out on 10/1/24. It's a limited edition. Disc 1 is a 4K UHD feature film. Bonus 4 feature commentaries. You see everything right there. Disc 2 is a Blu-ray feature film. Bonus 4 feature commentaries. Disc 3 is a Blu-ray bonus features. Let me pause and read all that. And this set is $299.98. You get 4. You can pay for it with 4 interest-free installments, or $27.08 a month with shop pay. We buy with PayPal. So I'll let you guys know, for all you Texas Chainsaw Massacre fans, the 50th Anniversary Chainsaw Edition. Yeah, please check it out and see what you think. It's due 10/1/24. Let's see here. Dark Sky Selects proudly presents the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 50th Anniversary Chainsaw Edition. The set includes a 4K UHD edition of the film, Blu-ray edition of feature film, Blu-ray bonus disc, and exclusive VHS featuring original VHS release artwork. All are housed in a replica of the iconic chainsaw for the film, which comes in a special 50th anniversary number box. Opening chainsaw triggers the sound of Leatherface wielding the chainsaw in the film. The limited edition features a newly designed 50th anniversary O-card and brand new bonus content, including the merchandise of Texas Chainsaw Massacre and restoration of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So, if you're interested, you go to select darkskyfilms.com and you can purchase that. So I will see you soon.